Well, you heard it. The whispers, the warnings, AI is coming for your job. And if you are a VA or TC, it might feel a little too real. But here's the thing. AI isn't the threat. It's your new superpower. And the people who learn to use it, they are about to become completely irreplaceable. In my weekly conversations with virtual assistants and transaction coordinators, I've noticed something interesting. Two very different camps. One side completely avoids AI like it's a passing trend, and the other, full-on panic mode, convinced the role will be replaced overnight. But here is the truth, or at least what I think. AI won't replace you. Another person who knows how to use AI will. And I'm not the first one to say that, okay? We are actually at a work revolution. Just like the internet changed everything. You don't need to be a techie, but you do need to be curious. The virtual assistant or transaction coordinator who embraces this shift, they are not just safe, but they are in demand. Just think about how fast your clients' businesses move. Real estate is speed, and freelance support is speed. And AI is designed to give you more of it. Staying current doesn't mean mastering every single tool. It means knowing what's possible and what's coming. Because if you are still manually writing emails, organizing calendars, or retyping clients' updates, you're doing work that AI can handle in seconds. And clients notice that. The virtual assistant who is fast, sharp, and proactive, that's who they keep. So let's break down what this actually looks like in your daily work. For your inbox, for example, you can use AI to scan long threads and pull the key info. ChatGPT can draft replies, so you just tweak and send. And if you're using Gmail through Google Workspace, you already have Gemini built in. It can summarize entire email threads and suggest context-aware replies right inside your inbox. It's like having a personal assistant quietly working in the background. You can also use it for document drafting, contracts, checklists, addenda. AI can create solid first draft. You become the editor, not the typist. You can also use it for scheduling. Smart apps handle time zone differences, last-minute reschedules, reminders, so you don't have to. Voice-to-text magic. You can record a walkthrough or any type of, thought, and AI will turn it into a polished content, summaries, or a task list. Another useful thing could be pattern spotting. AI can analyze DL data to show what kind of transactions your clients do best, turning you from task doer to a strategy advisor. Another thing that AI can do beautifully and super fast is virtually staging. AI tools can generate virtually staged photos from just a blank room shot, giving your agents a leg up when marketing listings without paying high designer fees. Talking about listings, descriptions. If you're struggling to write engaging property descriptions, AI can turn bullet points into polished copy tailored for different audiences, luxury buyers, investors, or first-time home buyers. Just plug in the features and let it flow. Another use is social captions in marketing. From Instagram captions to agent emails, AI can generate compelling content to promote listings or updates with the right tone and call to action in seconds. Graphic design. Even design work is easier than ever thanks to Canva AI. With just a few prompts, Canva's magic design feature can generate ready-made templates, social posts, and branded graphics. Upload a photo or describe what you need, like a property flyer, testimonial graphic, or Instagram post, and it will instantly suggest layouts, fonts, and styles tailored to your content. You can edit from there hire or let Canva do the heavy lifting. It's like having a built-in design assistant that actually understands your brand vibe. And one of my favorites, or at least the one that I use the most, is train your own assistant. This is one of the most powerful and underrated AI tools. Custom GPTs inside ChatGPT. You can actually train your own AI assistant by feeding it instructions, preferences, and templates. So you never have to repeat yourself. Imagine that. For example, if you are onboarding a new client, you always send a welcome email, a document checklist, and a reminder of how communication works. Instead of rewriting those messages every time, your AI assistant, trained with your tone and templates, can draft them instantly. You just need to say, onboard email for new listing agent, and it's ready. This is not the future. This is happening now. And the best part, you don't need to code anything. You just describe what you want, and that's it. It gets done. If this sounds exciting but overwhelming, I got you. Here's how you're going to start small. First, go ahead and pick an annoying task. It could be email sorting, scheduling, drafting follow-ups, whatever it might be for you and your operations. Then go ahead and just Google best AI tool for and insert whatever annoying task you picked. Or you can just ask ChatGPT what it recommends. Go ahead and test one tool this week, just one. You don't need to commit, just explore. And then what I want you to do is to reflect. Did it help? Was it faster? Could you save an hour a week this way? Now, if you like structured learning, like taking a course or reading a guide, I absolutely encourage you to go to HubSpot and check the resources section, where you're going to find a ton of free courses on everything AI. This is not sponsored by them, but I believe that they have the most amazing library and they have a ton of resources on AI. And of course, I will go ahead and include the site on the description below, so you can just go ahead and click it and start taking these amazing courses. And if you're ready to see how easy and fun this can be, I encourage you to start with JotForm AI Agent. For a full tutorial, click this video right here.